Ever wanted a digital version of yourself that can speak, present, and create content for you? In this video, I'll show you how to create your own AI digital twin step by step. A digital twin is an AI-powered version of you that looks and sounds like you. It can create videos, explain content, and represent you without needing you on camera every time. To get started, head to pro.fliki.ai and log in or sign up. After you log in, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. From the left menu, select Characters, and then click on the Create Character button. Choose Digital Twin option to create an AI digital clone of yourself. Start by entering your name and selecting your gender. Provide a short bio about yourself for the AI to learn more about you. To clone your appearance, upload a portrait picture of yourself, ideally with plain background. Next, to clone your voice, select your preferred language, then click Start Recording. Read the script aloud, including your full name, using the tone and style you want the voice to capture. For best results, use a high-quality microphone and record in a quiet environment. Finally, click on Save to create your digital twin. Your digital twin is now ready to be used. You can click on Play to preview your voice. Great, now that your digital twin is ready, it can speak, present, and create content for you, eliminating the need to set up a camera and microphone every time you want to appear on screen. Now let's create a video with the digital twin. Click on Create from the left menu and enter your desired topic or idea for the video. Alternatively, you can also paste an existing video script. Summary is ready. Select AI as asset source and click on Generate Script to create the script for the video. To use your digital twin, type Use, and select Characters, and choose your digital twin from available characters. Since we won't require any references, we can skip reference generation. Now let's generate the entire video structure, that is, chapters, scenes, and clips in one go. We're just one step away from previewing the video. With the structure complete, you can now develop the layers that generate the final assets: voiceover, images, video clips, music, and more. Copilot will also estimate the credits needed for all layers. Great, all layers were generated successfully. Click on Play button to preview the video. Once satisfied with the preview, click on Download button to start rendering the video. Rendering was successful. Perfect. We can now download the MP4 file and view the final video.
Feel amazing, fast. Discover the top 3 life-changing benefits of eating healthy, starting with boosted energy. Nutrient-dense foods fuel your body for sustained energy all day long. Your body will thank you. Next up, a stronger immune system. Think of healthy food as your internal armor. It creates a protective shield against illness. Your body will thank you. Number 3 is radiant skin. Healthy eating is the ultimate secret to a natural glow. Proper nutrition clears your skin and boosts collagen for a radiance that starts from within. These aren't just small changes, they are total life transformations. Start today, follow for more wellness, and comment your favorite healthy snack below.
This is the power of Fliki Pro. Within a matter of minutes, we were able to clone and create a video with digital twin. Scalable, efficient, and always ready to present. Hope you liked this tutorial. Please feel free to connect with us on Discord or via email to share your feedback and suggestion. Thanks for watching.